Hi, it's Jen from EntertainmentCareers.Net. During these challenging times, our #1 goal remains providing resources and helping you in any way we can. For example, we can host any number of virtual workshops, so please let us know what you may find helpful through this period. We are working on some ideas to help support you, but would love to hear from you too. While long-format production jobs have halted, many employers are actively hiring, and at last check, we had over 2,000 jobs on the site. To find more production-related jobs, we are actively bringing new companies to the site and doubling down on our content creation jobs, while adding more live event production positions. There are financial aid resources available for those who qualify. We have a list of resources linked below. But we recommend reaching out to the Entertainment Community Fund and the Motion Picture and Television Fund for not only financial aid and workshops, but also emotional support resources. If you have the means and are in a position to volunteer, we have compiled a list of places below that are supporting those who have been heavily impacted. Volunteering is a great way to remind yourself that you bring value. It can be a great way to meet people, and you can pick up new skills as you make the world a better place. These are very challenging times, so if you need something and are not finding the right resources, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for guidance. We're here to help.